Today we're going to disassemble the American lock. This is 1100 series. We'll go ahead and make sure that the key worked fine on it, and then we'll place the key to the side, and we'll use on this one there's a few different types of screw heads. This one happens to be a Phillips head. Sometimes they're Allen head, and sometimes they're pop rivet in there, and then this will allow the whole core to come out. And there's a screw there, and then there's the bottom, the female part of it. We'll set that in a tray. We'll use a pair of needle nose to get this little C-clip off the back. That's the front of it, and then here's the back of it with the clip on it. This will allow us to set that to the side, and then that lets the core slide out of the Bible. And we'll go ahead and slide the key in there and then turn it 90 degrees. This way here you're going to go ahead and capture the top pins up in the Bible, and as you slide it out, you push it almost like you would a little syringe or what have you. Slide it out, make sure the key portion is on the upside and the pins that are inside of this core don't fall out on you. And then from the front where the key is, to the left of the screen, we're going to go ahead and take out the bottom pins, and that's the number 1 pin we took out, and we put it in slot number 1. And we're going to continue on taking out slot number 2 all the way up to 5. It has the possibility of putting 6 pins in here, but they're a 5 pin on this particular key. So we'll continue taking 3, 4, and 5 out, and then when we're done with that, you see the Bible is still on the table with the little plug that we use. And when we go to take that out, we'll go ahead and slide it out carefully and get 1 pin at a time. So now we have all the bottom pins in the little tray, and then as we push this plug out, I think it's 8mm or something like that I bought, and cut it, we'll go ahead and get the top pins. There is a spring down in there also, so sometimes be careful, the springs may pop out on you. So as we push it back, we'll go ahead and stack them up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pretty simple procedure. And what you can do is you can disassemble one of these and then put another key in there, and then change up the lock. So you can leave the top pins in there, the ones that we're taking out now, and you can just go ahead and change the bottom ones. So the key and the core slide together, then you can go ahead and repin it and rekey it. There's 3 security pins in this particular one. They have serrated, and sometimes they'll use various different combinations of pins. All right, so now you see them in the tray. It's been disassembled. The springs are still inside of the Bible. You can always take those out if you have weak springs and change everything. So now you've seen the 1100 series disassembled, and you just go in reverse order to reassemble it. I'll have another video if you're interested in that. You can see how to reassemble it. But appreciate you coming to my channel and checking this out. We went ahead and disassembled Padlock 1100 series by American Lock. Thank you and have a good day, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like our video.